In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off follow suggestions on Instagram. Do you prefer a more curated feed tailored to your interests? Fortunately, Instagram offers options to customize your experience and turn off follow suggestions. Follow these detailed steps to take control of your Instagram recommendations. 1. Launch the Instagram app on your device and navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. 2. In your profile, locate the hamburger menu icon, which is the 3 horizontal lines, situated at the top right corner of the screen, and tap on the icon to open the options, and then select Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings and Privacy, tap on Notifications to access settings related to notifications. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Following and Followers. This section contains settings specific to notifications related to the people you follow or your followers. In the Following and Followers section, locate the option for Accepted Follow Request. This option controls whether you receive notifications when someone you've accepted a follow request from posts something new. To turn this off notification, toggle it off. Next, in the Following and Followers section, find the option of Account Suggestions. This option determines whether you receive notifications recommending accounts for you to follow based on your activity and interests. To disable it, toggle off the switch next to Account Suggestions. And after that, you will ensure that switches remain in the off position, and once confirmed, exit the settings and you won't see any profile suggestions no more. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.